TikTok Business and Creator Account. TikTok offers two types of accounts for users: business accounts and creator accounts. Business accounts are designed for companies, brands, and organizations that want to use TikTok for marketing purposes. Business accounts come with additional features such as access to TikTok Ads Manager, which allow business to create and run advertising campaigns on the platform. Business accounts also provide access to analytics and insights, which can help business track the performance of their content and optimize their strategy. On the other hand, creator accounts are designed for individuals who want to use TikTok to showcase their creativity and build a following. Creator accounts come with a range of tools and features that can help creators grow their audience and engage with their followers. These features include the ability to add links to their profiles, access creator fund, and access to analytics that can help creators understand their audience and optimize their content.